Hello children, how are you all? Hope you all are doing well. Welcome back to my channel Shashwati Preschool Kids Teaching Academy. So children, today I am going to teach you how to write number 1 to 10. So let's start. Now let's write number 1. Writing number 1, what we need? We need one slanting line, one standing line, and mix one sleeping line, one slanting line, one standing line, and mix one sleeping line. That makes number 1. 1 after which number? Yes, number 2. Very good. Writing number 2, what we need? A curve and a sleeping line. A curve and a sleeping line. That makes number 2. Let's write number 3. We need one sleeping line, one slanting line, join a curve. One sleeping line, one slanting line, and join a curve. That makes number 3. 3 after which number? Yes, number 4. You have learned quite fast. We need one slanting line, one sleeping line, and one standing line. Again I will repeat. One slanting line, one sleeping line, and one standing line. That makes number 4. Writing number 5, what we need? We need one sleeping line, one standing line, and join a curve. Again I will repeat. One sleeping line, one standing line, join a curve. That makes number 5. Very simple. So far we have learned number 1, number 2, number 3, number 4, and number 5. So 5 after which number? Yes, number 6. We need a curve, join a small curve. A curve, join a small curve. That makes number 6. Very simple. Now let's write number 7. One sleeping line and one slanting line. One sleeping line and one slanting line. That makes number 7. 7 after which number? Yes, number 8. Number 8 look like alphabetical S. A curve, join another curve. Again I will repeat. We need a curve, join another curve. That makes number 8. Now let's write number 9. One small curve and a standing line. That makes number 9. One small curve and a standing line. That makes number 9. 9 after which number? Yes, number 10. Don't look here and there. Look at me and follow me. Writing number 10, what we need? We need 1 and 0. 1 and 0. One slanting line, one standing line, and sleeping line, and 0. That makes number 10. It's very simple.
So kids, from this video we have learned how to write number 1 to 10. If you enjoyed this video, do like, share and comment. And to be the first person to watch our video, make sure to subscribe the channel and press the bell icon for finding notification.